Hello guys, in this video we will see how to rename a database in MongoDB. Before 4.0 we can rename a database by using copy database method, but from 4.0 onwards that method has been deprecated. In this tutorial I am using MongoDump and Mongo Restore. First we will try with deprecated method whether it's possible or not. I have installed MongoDB 4.0 and its enterprise edition. I have this many databases. Now try with old method. Now I am trying to rename my company database to another new database. Old method is, see, this is the old method. Method is copy database, and then we have to provide old database name and new database. Then we have to switch to old database name, and then we have to drop old database. Let's try. db.copy, old database name is company, and I am giving new database name as my company. Press enter. See, it is copy database. Then old database name, that is existing database name. You see here, and new database name. Press enter. See what it is saying. db.copy database will only function with MongoDB 4.0 or below. So this method has been deprecated after 4.0 version. So solution is to rename a database in MongoDB. We have to use MongoDump and Mongo Restore tools. Exit, then run the command Mongo dump. Then we have to provide -d, then name of the database, that is company, output, file location. Here I am giving home, auto schools, then give the Mongo dump. In this directory, this Mongo dump will create another directory with the name of this company. Press enter. See, it has taken dump of these 5 collections: 1 employees, sales, accounts, HR and security. Let's verify the files or directories from this path. cd, see, we have dump directory in this directory. Let's verify. cd company, see, we have JSON and BSN files for each collection. Clear the screen. Now we have to restore this dump to new database. Even if new database not exists, this restore command will create a new database. Command is Mongo restore d, then new database name, that is my company db. Then provide the backup or dump directory path. Then Mongo dump. Then here we have to provide database name as well. Press enter. This may take time, depends upon the database size. My database size is very less, so it will take very less time. Restoration has been completed successfully. Now connect to MongoDB server. Let's verify the list of the databases. See, new database has been created successfully. Also verify the collections for both databases. Old one, use company, show collections. Show collections. See, it contains 5 collections. Now switch to new database, that is use my company db. Now run the command show collections. See, it contains same collection. Now switch to old database. If you want to keep both, then keep it. In my case, I don't want old one. I am dropping it by using the method db.drop database. It will drop my current database. See the output, it is saying drop and database name is company. It is okay, means success. Okay. Now verify the databases. Notice here. So in this video we have seen how to rename a database in MongoDB server. For more MongoDB videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.